Hello guys, my name is Ralph Johnson and welcome to another episode of Ralph Johnson Photography. I'm going to show you what I got about, I guess, maybe a month ago now or something. Maybe a little bit longer than that. And it is a DJI Mavic Pro. Why did I get the Mavic Pro, you may ask? When the Mavic Air's out and stuff like that? Well, very simple, okay? I liked the Mavic Pro from the get-go and everything. Plus, the stability of this, to me, because it's bigger, you know, because it folds out to a bigger frame itself, is more stable than the Mavic Air. I've tried the Mavic Air, I've played with the Mavic Air and stuff like that, and to me, this one is a lot more sturdier and stabler in the air. I mean, it works fantastic for stuff that I've seen, and I mean, you're looking at shots now with this. I've had, I can't say perfect flying every time, but most of the time it's fantastic. Love it. This thing's really good. I like it a whole bunch. And the main reason why I got this over the Mavic Air is, like I said, because of its size. It's a little bit bigger. Now, a lot of people like the portability of the Mavic Air and stuff like that because it's smaller than this. My thing on that is that, again, I wanted the Pro because of the bigger size. Other than that, the camera on this to me is a little bit better than the Mavic Air. Just to me. Other people think it's better there. Okay, but I also wanted the screen on the LCD, you know, right there and everything. I wanted that also. So the Mavic Pro, you've seen so many videos about these and everything like that. What can I bring to it, to add to it and stuff like that? Well, you've seen these drone shots, like I said, throughout this whole thing. It's super easy to use, it really is, guys. If you don't know how to use a drone at all, start with the Mavic. Start with the Mavic line, whether it's the Air or the Pro. They're very easy to use, they're very portable, and they can go just about anywhere with you, no matter what. I mean, just because of the size restraint. I mean, the DJI Phantom 4s are good cameras, are good quadcopters, don't get me wrong, with great cameras in them, but they don't have the small form factor. If they did, well then that'd probably be my camera of choice. But other than that, the Mavic, the battery I like because it's small. I mean, it's not super expensive for the batteries. Nothing on this is super expensive at all to replace if you have to replace it. I've had one crash with it so far, and that was completely my fault, and unfortunately it happened, but I don't see it happening again because I learned from that mistake. I only broke a propeller, so I mean, it didn't do much damage to it at all, which I was glad. And just overall, I enjoy this thing very much. The image that I get from this is really good. I really don't have anything bad to say about it for the simple reason it's not a bad device. I know the Mavic 2 is probably going to be coming out shortly by the time this comes out. But I mean, this right now is a really good device for me. I like it, I enjoy it thoroughly. And I'm glad this is the drone that I chose. There was other drones I was looking at in the same price range. This is the one that got it for me though. So the DJI Mavic Pro, fantastic buggy, fantastic quadcopter, drone, whatever you want to call them. I prefer quadcopter because it sounds better in my opinion. But it's fully charged and doesn't take long to charge either at all. So the camera on here is a 4K camera. Of course, you guys know about the Mavic Pros already. I don't need to be beating it into dead horse. It's just a really good overall piece of equipment. I suggest if you're looking for a drone, get a Mavic, and you know, or at least another DJI line. So the Mavic Pro works the best for me. Very easy to use, very easy to fold out, and that's it pretty much. So other than that, I mean, this is just kind of a, yeah, I got a Mavic Pro now, so you'll be seeing more drone shots of my stuff. But I've used it for, like I said, about a month, and I've really enjoyed it so far. This has been one of the best investments I've ever bought as far as photo flying equipment. I haven't bought many other photo flying equipment to be said, but this is probably one of the best that I've bought. So anyways, I'd fly it right now, but I don't know if I'm allowed to fly it here. That's one thing mainly about the drones and everything with drone laws and stuff. You got to make sure and know where to fly it at. So, and the fact that, you know, this is a city park, they may not let me fly it here. So anyways, you're seeing drone footage throughout this whole thing anyway. So beautiful beautiful piece of equipment, works great, fantastic. And other than that, I have no bad complaints about it. So this is Ralph Johnson saying peace out, bye.